This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, June 23rd. Stock index futures advancing today. This despite two economic reports that did come in a bit weaker than expected. We had jobless claims a little bit higher. Also, we had some purchasing managers indexes also on the weaker side. So the indices putting in fairly good performance today. Also, there are indications, at least the early signs, that we may be seeing inflation start to peak, or at least the rate of inflation could be peaking. And it's not just the economic reports that we're seeing, but a lot of the industrial commodities such as crude oil, natural gas, gasoline, all coming under pressure as of late. Also, the industrial metals, especially copper, coming in lower at its lowest level in over a year. So if that is the case, that could cause the Fed to be a bit less hawkish later this year. And of course, that would be supportive to the indices. Currency markets seeing the dollar index advancing as interest rate differential expectations still are favorable to the greenback, while the Fed is still on track to hike interest rates. Other central banks may be a bit less aggressive in hiking interest rates, so that would be an advantage to the US dollar. And in the interest rate futures markets, the 30-year Treasury bond futures advancing to almost a 2-week high, as there are indications that the global economy is slowing. So technically and fundamentally, the bonds seem to be in a better situation. I think there may be some follow-through strength across the board in the interest rate futures markets. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.